We're going to the Dollar Tree.
Yes, we are.
We've never been to this one. We're hoping it's a good one. The one by our house is kind of lame.
It's pretty lame.
So we're gonna see what kind of treasures we can find for some good Christmas present ideas that won't seem lame.
Are we gonna do it like competition style?
Ooh, we'll see.
So basically the goal is to find some things to put together to make.
Yeah. Like we're not just trying to go in there and find like a bowl and give it to your grandma for Christmas or anything.
No.
It's like
to be creative.
Taking some things from there, putting it together with things at home. We'll see.
Maybe not. We'll take you along. Let's go.
We can time it 10 minutes. Like a grocery store game.
That's true.
Put it in like a box like this.
All these tins. Update, this Dollar Tree is already better than ours, I think. What do you think?
I mean, we've been here for 30 seconds.
We're in like 2 aisles and I already am
Our
impressed.
testing.
She already has things.
Yes, I do. Turn around. So, here's my dilemma, folks. This is so cute, okay? I mean, but if you can't tell, it probably holds 2 spits of water.
None of these smell good or like anything really.
Now we're back home.
We're home with all of our stuff.
Put it all together. Let's show you what we got. So first of all, my theme is kind of like hot chocolate, treat yourself kind of a little concoction here.
A basket, if you will.
A basket.
We're both kind of going the same route, and it's not super a competition anymore. We kind of helped each other out.
Yeah.
You can still see which one you like the best, but mine is more like movie night basket. So like popcorn, and I have, let's just go ahead and show all the stuff we have. So I have obviously popcorn. I have a butter one and a kettle corn one. And then I got these little popcorn bucket things. So it's a 2-pack. So this is going to be like a popcorn movie night thing for 2. And then I have a variety of movie candy. You know, the stuff that you would buy at the movie theater. I also got 2 of these handled mason jar glasses, and I'm going to put a little extra something in my basket towards the end. I'll show you that later, that I didn't get at the dollar store. And
She broke the rules. But it's something we have lying around.
yeah, it's something we already have at the house. So I got this for both mine and Casey's. It's just little bags of shredded clear shiny stuff. They had it in different colors, but I just got the clear white stuff. And then I got my basket and this wrapping paper.
So I got, of course I had to get 2 Christmas mugs. One of them, it says naughty and nice on it, and this one says 'tis the season to be jolly, which is really cute. And marshmallows. These are hot cocoa candy canes, like, that's amazing. These are chocolates, peanut butter chocolate, which I think would be really good if you actually just like melted these with some milk and then that was your hot chocolate. Just some regular old Russell Stovers, Godiva, peppermint. I like to, if I make hot chocolate, just put a peppermint stick in it.
And you got the bucket, the little.
And this is the little thing.
And then you got this.
I got this, which I may or may not use. It's actually like a felt tree skirt, but I thought I could possibly line it. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm not sure, guys. We'll see what happens.
We're not sure. And you also
Yours
have
way more stuff.
you also have, we already have hot chocolate at our house.
Right.
So she's gonna be using that, but I'm pretty sure you could find that at a dollar store. And then we got these shrink wrap and pull bow packages. So after we get our baskets all prettied up, we're gonna cover them up with the shrink wrap and use a
Oh yeah.
hair dryer and make it all packaged up nicely.
We also have some dollar store left over from another project, some garland.
Oh yeah.
I'm wrapping it around here because this is not fun nor festive.
All right. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to wrap my basket in wrapping paper somehow so that it's more festive and less blue.
And then I'm going to also could kick myself because I gotta figure out I gotta do something creative with this. This is just too much. I mean, it's just like absurd, and I don't like the packaging and I don't like the way it looks. They had at the dollar store some like cellophane bags that were like Christmassy that you could pour these in, and you could pour the hot chocolate packets in. That's way cuter. But
I don't think it's necessary myself.
Do you like things to look pretty?
Here's my wrapping paper covered basket.
Here's my disaster. It's gonna take a lot longer than Santa's and multiple things.
I'm gonna move on to the next step. I think I'm first going to put
Savannah, I just want everyone to know that Savannah just found the hot glue sticks for me and I've lost them already. In just a matter of moments. I was sitting on them.
I'm gonna use this bag and some tissue paper so I can have a little height for the things in here. Here it is. Bottle of wine.
Bottle of wine. Oh my god.
This is actually a bottle that came from Trader Joe's, so I know it was not that expensive.
Basically, if the dollar store could sell wine or sold wine,
that's what it would be. So it's still thoughtful, but not breaking the bank.
And Trader Joe's wine, not bad.
Yeah, it's not. Whoa, okay, a little front, back heavy. So
Christmas will have come and gone when I'm done with mine.
More height, but also kind of looks like an Easter basket. There we go. Popcorn. I might take these out of the box, the popcorns, because it's close quarters in here. Okay, so I have, in mine, I have one of the popcorns in the box, one of them taken out individually. I got the popcorn buckets, the wine, the glasses, and now I've got to try to fit all the candy in there somehow.
What's the actual fill in the blank with a cuss word? I think I would rather not use a hot glue gun ever again.
Oh, some of these actually fit in the popcorn thing. That's better.
If you follow us on Instagram, which you should, you will not notice that often we leave the house and go out. We are home hotties.
Are you saying that this
drinking hot chocolate and watching a movie?
That's our speed.
That's our speed.
Okay.
Oh, I have so much hot glue on my jeans. So much. This is not going well.
Why don't you do it on the table?
Because it's not right. Too high.
Lord. Okay, I have all my stuff in here, so I'm gonna add a little more of this. I should use.
And you take, oh, well, you can help me, but you can't. No one can help me.
I'm gonna use some more of this to kind of fill in the spaces.
Well, what about me? Do I have
There's two things for you and two for me.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean,
here's this part. That was really easy. What Casey's doing is not
It's not even that, it's really not that bad.
Tedious.
Mostly I feel stressed out because you're already done, but really,
she's got
we're gonna
20 years
fast
to go.
Yeah.
I am taking over Casey's wrapping of her bucket.
Because I was having an actual meltdown. I also have hot glued my jeans.
On her jeans.
I have burned my hands. I probably need to go to the emergency room with 3rd-degree burns. But I'm going to show you, instead of making me cry and putting this in there, I'm doing these little things out of Ziploc baggies. Samantha's idea. So
I just stuffed it down in the
corners, yeah.
Make sure your hands are washed.
So I just shoved it all down into this corner right here, and then you know, just kind of do like that. And then we have some of this twine. This is good to have on hand. If you're a crafter,
Yeah.
you know, you like to do
You
crafts.
need some twine.
We should probably do a video on some
Like,
essential crafting tools to have on hand.
legit.
Because one day we'll show you what our studio is like and how we have
Everything
organized and everything. I mean, like, guys, we have an entire drawer of stamp things, like stamps.
When we were Oh So Pretty, we did a lot of crafts and we got a lot of stuff sent to us. So we have a lot of random things that are not, you know, necessary, like your basic crafting items, but that are still, you know, we still have them.
Because we have gotten rid of a lot of things.
Yes, we have.
And then, sure as we do, what do you need? You need that thing you got rid of.
Yeah, especially as like doing DIY bloggers situation. Ooh.
So yeah, that's what they look like. That's really cute. That's much cuter than sticking a big giant bottle, I think it is. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put this in these. This is way cuter than if I were to stick this in there.
Before you put
this stuff is what one might call useless.
It's more decoration, like filling the
Definitely.
space. Yeah, you should shove it. Oh Lord, I can't get in. I cannot even get into it.
I like that it's hanging over a little bit.
Oh, okay.
It's festive. You see that? That's pretty cute.
Got hair.
It's got hair. This is what I have. It's adorable. Who wouldn't want to get that? Oh yeah, okay. It's not what we'd call perfect, but what is?
Free labor. That's all I'm saying.
Free labor.
There's marshmallows everywhere.
And having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is falling.
So this is what we've
There's for Casey's. We've got all kinds of chocolate to throw in your hot chocolate, and there's a popcorn in the back, lots of hot chocolate, marshmallows, chocolate overload. So these are all cute. Now what we're gonna do to make it a little more official, and that's official, is we're gonna take our little shrink wrap bag. This comes with a white bow, which I think will be cute on Casey's, but I think I'm gonna use my own bow to make mine a little more festive. So if you've never used a shrink wrap bag before, you're missing out. I used to always, my mom would make these little gift bags or baskets every now and then, and I always wanted to shrink the wrap. I thought it was so cool. Which Casey would say, "You're such a nerd."
maybe, but
So you just get it, your bag in there, gather it up.
does it matter if mine's got that going on?
No, just kind of get it where you need it, right in the middle. Now we're gonna shrink it with the hair dryer. It's gotta be hot.
having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is
Okay. Now just, yeah, you see how it's formed to Casey's perfectly?
And
Cute.
then,
And then
what
you-
is this?
It's a pull bow. You grab, I think that's what you do, is you grab this on the inside and you... How cute!
That is a good, that is
And
nothing
then
but good.
you just tie it on there. Here, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks so much for watching. You should definitely tag us if you decide to go to the dollar store and make something like this.
Or if you don't go to the dollar store, but you make your own gift basket.
Yeah.
Because it's fun. I think you can just make them more personalized. Like, they
Yeah.
actually have some really great already made gift baskets, but if you can really
Right,
personalize
like
it
if
to
you
someone.
can know, like, oh, Casey loves
Godiva chocolate.
Godiva, and she loves dark chocolate, and she loves this specific wine, and this is her favorite snack, or whatever. You can make a personalized one and still make it look like you
Right.
got it
Throw a
professionally.
little gift card in
Little gift
there.
cards, that's a good idea.
That's actually gift card. That's a great idea. If you don't
Yeah.
really know what to get someone, but you want to jazz up something and make a gift card. Gift cards seem so impersonal. But if you're like, gosh, I don't know what to get you, but I know you like Swedish fish, so I'll make you like a little
cute little basket.
coffee basket.
Mhm.
You don't have
And
to
put the
spend a
gift
lot of
card in
money
there.
and put a gift
Yeah,
card.
that's a great idea.
I'm a genius.
Genius. Or you can just do a bunch of wine, whatever. But this is just, hopefully this is helpful to someone out there. And you could do this literally like Christmas Eve. So
Yeah.
very good for a last minute gift. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye.